Good morning and welcome to another edition of Rush Outdoors. I'm back down here in South Wales today. Plan is to spend a couple of days down here bagging some more of these mountains that I've got left. So I'm here at the Black Mountains, and just like there's Hay Bluff, the heavens open, lifts. So I'm in no rush. Plan is today go up Hay Bluff, do Black Mountain and Black Mountain South Top, come back here and drive to Garreg Lwyd, bag that one, and then make the decision whether to wild camp on the top or to car camp in the lay-by a mile below the summit. So we'll see how it goes. See if it dries up a little bit as well. Bring you back in a bit. Hay Bluff, 677 metres, declassified as a Nuttall. Still on the route, I'm heading that way. But I'm going to bag this one as well, just to say I've been here. Not a bad weather, so you can see the full range of the other side of the Black Mountains where I was in January. So Lord Hereford's Knob, Rostadian, get the other one. So I'm here to do this one, Black Mountain and Black Mountain South Top today. Whew. One in the bag already. So I'm now joining the Offers Dyke path to the summit of Black Mountain. I don't know what it is with this mountain range, but each of the 3 times I've been here, I've been absolutely pummeled. So the right downpour of hail. You can see it's gone that way now. I'm almost at the top of Black Mountain, which is 703 metres, and then I'll drop down to 613 or 16 from recollection, which is South Top. Bring you back at the summit. So that's Black Mountain, 703 metres. Back onto the path now. You think they'd have a decent, maybe a trig point or something, just to mark the way, but it haven't. Not on this one. Oh, our wind's a bit brutal, so keep getting little blasts of crappy weather coming and going, so I want to go as quick as I can, get the last one, head back to the car, and then head to the next destination. But for now, one more to complete this range. line of cars Cairns, however you want to pronounce it, on the path. Something otherworldly. So, I'm not far off the south top, which is 637 metres. That's what I believe they call the Cat's Back. Just the top of this ground is Black Mountain South Top, and then I'll turn and head back. I've only seen 3 other people on this walk, a couple that's just passed me, and there's a guy up ahead. Well, that's the Black Mountains all done and dusted. Now to head back to the car. So I'm almost back at Bluff. I haven't been able to film a massive amount on this walk so far. Just because of the wind, you can probably hear that. I'm going to go back to Bluff, drop back down to the car. It's the Offa's Dyke path. I don't know what the flowers are for. If anybody can tell me, hit me up in the comments. See you in the car. Oh, it's good to be nearly back at the car. This wind's been brutal today so far. Oh, and I just come down that. Anywho's. Right, get back to the car, get me waterproofs off, and then I've got to make my way to the far west side of the Brecon Beacons so that I can do Gardeck Lwyd. I can't see me doing any wild camping because the weather's just too crap. Hello, horsey. Yeah, the weather's too crap. So, unless something miraculously changes between now and then, it's looking like I'm going to break my virginity of a car camp in the Citron Bolingo. I've really got the very, very basics with me, but we'll see how it goes. There's Lord Hereford's Knob on Bluff. Nifty. Right, see you in a bit. The opening scene set in for Werewolf in London again. Crossroads. Bit of history. Over here.